Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You will begin with essential checks and the first actionable fixes. First, verify your OS build and current Fingerprint driver version so you know what to replace. This prevents mismatched installs. Once done, shut down, unplug the charger, and remove all USB devices to avoid input conflicts. Next, clean the sensor carefully with 70% isopropyl on a microfiber cloth. Wipe in one direction and let it dry. This improves contact and rules out grime as the cause. Now you tackle the software layer. Open Device Manager, uninstall the Fingerprint device and select Delete Driver software so Windows won't reuse a corrupted file. Once uninstalled, restart into safe mode to prevent background apps from blocking installation. Install the vendor driver you downloaded earlier, following prompts exactly. This ensures proper driver signing and kernel integration. Then, make sure Windows Biometric Service is set to automatic and started. Without that, the hardware won't register even with the correct driver. Finish by rebooting into the normal environment and re-enrolling your prints in settings. Enroll 2 to 3 fingers and capture different angles so recognition is robust. Test each finger and surface. If scans miss, open the driver utility to tweak sensitivity or disable adaptive learning, then re-enroll. If problems persist after these steps, update the BIOS and firmware, because low-level incompatibilities can break authentication. If even that fails, contact vendor support for a hardware RMA. Only hardware faults remain after software fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.